Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Okay children, tell me one thing. What is the name of your best friend? And how much do you enjoy playing with him or her? A little, much, or so very much? Okay, also tell me if you have your brother or sister at home. Do you play with them also? Now suppose you get something yummy to eat. So will you eat it all alone or will you share it with your friends? Some children are saying they will divide it equally among friends. So will you actually divide it equally? But first tell me, do you know how to divide? Suppose you get a laddu to eat. Will you be able to divide it equally in two parts? Okay, very good. That was great. Hey, have you heard that story about the two cats who found a chapati but who did not know how to divide it? So, do you know what happened then? Come, let me tell you the whole story. Once there were two cats, the best friends. One was black in color and the other was white in color. One day, they found a chapati somewhere. They both wanted to share it, but they did not know how to divide it equally. So they started fighting with each other. A monkey came there and said, I will divide it for you. Look, how has he divided? Are both the parts equal? No, they are not. So the cat said, my share is smaller. Do you know what monkey did then? The monkey took a little from the bigger part and ate it himself. Oh, that's wrong. Very bad. So, are the parts equal now? Oh, not even now. What will monkey do now? Will he eat a little more of chapati? Yes, look. Now he has eaten some more from the other part. But this way, he will never be able to divide the chapati equally. What about the cats? Look, the monkey has actually eaten whole of the chapati. Oh, that was mean. Cunning monkey. Did he not know how to divide the chapati equally? He must have done it on purpose. He wanted to eat away all the chapati. He was very cunning. So children, it's really good that you all know very well how to divide things equally. Because this way, instead of fighting with friends, you will be able to share your things. Because when two friends fight, it's always someone else who takes all the share. Come, let's try to do it. Look here, a chapati. Let's divide it in two equal parts. We will have to cut it from here, the middle, right in the middle, like this. Look, we have made the two equal parts. Very good. Now, let's divide this samosa in two equal parts. Now this laddu. Look, they do seem to be equal. Absolutely equal. Now it's the turn of this sandwich. Yes, this is also right. Wow, we have divided so many things in two equal parts. We are not like those cats. No one can befool us. Okay, children, when we divide anything in two equal parts, then what do we call those equal parts? We call them as halves. That is 1 upon 2. Look, 1 upon 2. We write it like this. 1 upon 2. Do you know why 1 upon 2? Because 1 upon 2 means 1 out of 2. That is, we made two equal parts of a thing. So 2 below this symbol of division, this small line. And then we took one part out of it. So 1 above this symbol. Let's do it once again. This time we will divide a piece of paper in two halves. So here is a paper. It looks like a rectangle. From where do we need to cut it to make two equal parts? From here, right in the middle. Is there any other way to divide it in two equal parts? Yes, like this, or this, or this. There can be many more. Try to find out yourself. How many parts did we make? 2. So we will write 2 below this symbol. We call it as upon. So 2 below it. Now we need one part out of these two. So above this symbol, we will write 1. Now read. It has become 1 upon 2. That is half. Very good. Now suppose we need to make more than two equal parts. Suppose there are 4 friends and they want to divide the chapati equally among themselves. So how many parts should we make? 4 friends will need 4 parts. How many parts in total? 4. Total parts below the line, that is 4. Like this. Now, how much does each child get? 1 part. So 1 above this line. Total parts at the bottom, and on top of it, the numbers of parts that have been taken. So it will give us 1 upon 4. That is 1/4 of the total. 1 out of the 4 equal parts. You know what? We also call it a quarter. 1 upon 2 is a half. That is 1 out of total 2. And 1 upon 4 is a quarter. That is 1 out of total 4. Okay, suppose there was a watermelon. It was divided in 2 equal parts. And I took 1 part. So tell me, how much did I get? Total parts at the bottom. Tell me how many parts were made? 2. Thus, 2 at the bottom. And I got 1 part. Thus 1 on top of it. So I got 1 upon 2. That is half. Very good. And now tell me how much was left. If I got 1/2, then how much was left? This leftover part. How much is this? This is also 1 upon 2. That is half. Very good. Now suppose the whole of the watermelon was divided into 4 equal parts. And I took 1 part out of it. So now how much did I get? Total 4 parts. So 4 at the bottom. I got 1. So 1 on top of it. I got 1 upon 4. That is a quarter. Is that fine? I hope you all know it now. So now tell me, what part is left? This left out part. How much is this? Do write this also. See, total parts at the bottom, that is 4. And we need to tell the left out part. So tell me, how many parts are left? If we take away 1, then we are left with 3. So above this, we will write 3. It makes 3 upon 4. That is 3/4 or 3 quarters. That's right. 3 times a quarter is 3 quarters. Here, look at this box and tell me how much part is colored. 1 out of 4. That is 1/4 or a quarter. Now tell me how much part is left. 3 out of 4. That is 4 upon 3 or 3 upon 4. Always remember, total parts at the bottom. So the right answer is 3 upon 4. Okay, now tell me how much part is colored? 1 upon 2 or 2 upon 1? Total parts at the bottom. So the right answer is 1 upon 2 or half. Very good. Now tell me what part is left? That again is 1 upon 2. Okay, look here now. 4 balls. How many balls are red in color? That is, what part of the total is red in color? 1 out of 4. So answer is 1 upon 4. Total balls at the bottom, 1 upon 4. Now tell me, what part is green? 3 upon 4. Very good. What part is yellow? 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4 or 4 upon 1? 1 upon 4. How much part is blue? 4 upon 3, 3 upon 4 or 1 upon 4? 3 upon 4. Very good. Always remember, total parts at the bottom. Okay, now tell me, how much part is red? Half, 1 upon 2. And here, 1 upon 4. Now suppose here I fill this one more quarter with red color. Now how much part is red in color? Total 4. This goes below the upon symbol. And 2 reds. So this goes to the top. It makes 2 upon 4. That's right. Now tell me how much is left? That's also 2 upon 4. Is that right? Here, look carefully. Is it a half of the whole? Yes, right. Half of the circle is red. So, did you get it? 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. Suppose we make 6 parts of the whole and we color 3 out of these 6. It will make 3 upon 6. This is also half. Isn't that amazing? Now write it as 3 upon 6 and ask your friends, what is this? They will say 3 upon 6.
But you can say, but that's also half.
You can also cross-check it by making a picture like this. Okay, now look and tell if the parts are colored as written. 1 upon 2. That is half. So tell me if half of the total is colored. Yes, 1 upon 2. That is 1 out of 2. Total parts at the bottom and colored at the top. Okay, now tell me 2 upon 4. Is this also correct? Yes, correct. 2 out of 4. That is 2 quarters. Well, can we call it by some other name? Yes, we can. 1 upon 2. That is 1 out of 2. If we add together 2 quarters, then it gives us a half again. Look, to make half, we cut from the middle. And to make 4 parts, that is a quarter, we cut those halves from their middle again. Thus it gives us 4 equal parts, 4 quarters. Now, if I join back 2 quarters, then it will make a half again. That is 1 upon 2. Okay, if I join together 3 quarters, then it will give us 3/4. That is 3 upon 4. 3 out of 4. Like this. And suppose I join together all 4 quarters. Then it will become one whole circle again. 4 out of 4. All 4. So 4 upon 4, that is 1. 1 whole circle. See, this is 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. And here, 1 whole. Let's arrange them in an order. First of all, the smallest part. Yes, find out the smallest one. 1 upon 4. And then 1 upon 2. Then 3 upon 4. And then 1 whole. Very good. Now, color the part as directed. 1 upon 2. 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2. So what should we do here? 1 upon 2 means half. So make the half of these given parts. And how many parts are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So find out the half of 6. That is, divide 6 by 2. Say aloud the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So the half of 6 is 3. That's it. We need to color 3 parts. Now it has become 1 half. Look, does it look like a half? Yes, it does. 3 upon 4. That's easy. Make 4 equal parts and color 3. Now color half, 1 upon 2. Total here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for half, divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Half of 8 is 4. 2 fours are 8. So color 4 parts. Now see, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So half of 18. Always remember, we need to divide by the number that is at the bottom. That is below this symbol. Half means 1 upon 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 nines are 18. So half of 18 is 9. Color 9 balls. Next to it, we have 10 flowers. Do it by yourself. Very good. Now color 1/4 of the given figures. Here we have 8 leaves. So for 1/4, we will need to divide by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the answer is 2. Color 2 leaves. Now choose the correct options from those given in the box. And the options are 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4. Look at the first figure. That's right. Second figure. That's also right. Look here. All the parts are colored. So, right. And here, 3 out of 4. So the right answer is very good. Okay, now tell me, if 1 kilogram of onions cost rupees 10, then how much will half kilogram cost? Make half of 10. 5 rupees. Right. Now tell me, if the cost of 1 kilogram potatoes is rupees 12, then what will be the cost of half kilogram of potatoes? Half of 12. 6. Right. 6 rupees. Okay, let's make it a little difficult. If 1 kilogram of tomatoes cost 20 rupees, then how much will a quarter cost? A quarter, that is 1/4, that is 1 upon 4. So just tell me, with which number will you divide? Look, what is at the bottom? 1 upon 4. So 4, we will divide by 4. And which number we will divide? 20. So just do it. Say aloud the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. So 1 upon 4 of 20 is 5. 5 rupees. 5 rupees will give us 1/4 kilogram of tomatoes. Also tell me, if 1/4 kilogram of tomatoes cost 5 rupees, then how much for half a kilogram? 10 rupees, because we know half means 2 quarters. If 1/4 cost 5 rupees, so 2 quarters will cost 10 rupees. Okay, what about 3 quarters? It will cost 15 rupees. And 1 whole kilogram? 20 rupees. That we know already. 1 kilogram of tomatoes cost rupees 20. Very good. So now let's do the same with meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We all know that. So 1 upon 4 meters is equal to how many centimeters? For this, make 4 equal parts of 100. It will be 25 centimeters. Very good. Try to do it. So 1 upon 4 meter is equal to 25 centimeters. And 1 upon 2 meters, 50 centimeters. 3 upon 4 meters, 75 centimeters. And 4 upon 4 meters, that is 1 whole meter. That is 100 centimeters again. Very good. Now tell me if the correct part of the figures have been shaded. 1 upon 4. That's right. 1 upon 3. That's also right. 3 upon 4. Right again. 1 upon 4. Is that right? No. See, all the 4 parts are not equal. The parts should be equal. So this is not 1 upon 4. Now further, 1 upon 2. Right. And here also 1 upon 2. Oh, is that right? No. Here again, the parts are not equal. So this is again wrong. Okay children, this was the chapter 9 of your book, Halves and Quarters. Take out your book and see. There you will find a lot more of interesting figures and questions. Color them as given. Divide them in halves or quarters. Play all the games. Look at all the pictures and answer all questions. You will be able to do that all. If no, then take help from your friends or your elder brothers or sisters. This way you will get to know many new things and you will enjoy a lot. This will be your homework. So quickly do it and we will meet in the next chapter now. Thank you. Have a nice day.